Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In today's video, we are starting a mega 100 question series on CDP plus Hindi pedagogy plus English pedagogy for the CTET exam. These are most important previous year questions asked repeatedly in a CTET exam. This is part 1 of the 100 question series. Watch the full video, note down your score while attempting the questions. At the end of the video, comment your score in the comment section. This will help you track your real exam readiness. If you target in a CTET 2026, then this series is a must watch for you. So, without wasting time, let's start now. Question number 1. In the context of inclusion curriculum, learning expectations are the same in dash while in dash they are different. Correct answer is option 3, accommodation and modification. Means in the context of inclusion curriculum learning expectations are the same in accommodation while in the modification they are different. Accommodation means learning goals remain the same, only teaching methods change. Modification means learning goals are changed according to learner's need. Hence, option 3 is correct. Question number 2. While divergent thinking dash convergent thinking dash. Correct answer is option 1. Encourages multiple answers. Each fix one on one correct solution. Means while divergent thinking encourage multiple answers, convergent thinking is a fixed on one correct solution. Divergent thinking means multiple possible answers, convergent thinking one correct answer. Now, question 3. Which of the following statements about inclusive education is not correct? Correct answer is option 4. An inclusive classroom centers around fixed curricula and standard assessment. Inclusive education is flexible, not rigid. Fixed curriculum and standard assessment go against inclusion. Question number 4. Assertion. Childhood is experienced differently by children across cultures. Reason. Children's development is universal. Correct answer is option 3. A is true but R is false. Childhood differs across cultures is a true, and development is not completely universal is a false. Question number 5 now. According to attribution theory of motivation, which of the following is more likely to result in a persistent efforts and improved performance? Correct answer is option 3, internal attribution for failure as well as success. When students believe both success and failure depend on their effort, motivation increases. Question number 6. Reasoning, thinking, and problem solving are explained in which aspect of development? Correct answer is option 2, cognitive development. Thinking and reasoning come under cognitive development. Question number 7. Lev Vygotsky proposed that dash is important for a self-regulation in a children. Correct answer is option 2, inner speech. Inner speech helps children guide their own behavior. Question number 8. Which of the following statements is not correct about learning? Correct answer is option 4, learning as a product rather than a process. Learning is a continuous process, not just a product. Question number 9. Problem solving is fostered by. Correct answer is option 1, divergent thinking. Divergent thinking allows multiple approaches to a problem. Question number 10. According to Kohlberg's theory of moral development, at what stage are children self centered and see their own benefit in doing something? Correct answer is option 2, at the second stage in the first level. Stage second is equal to instrumental purpose orientation. Children act for personal gain. Question number 11. Proximo-distal principle states that in infancy. Correct answer is option 1. The limbs continue to grow faster than the hands and feet. Proximo-distal is equal to center to extreme knee. Question number 12. Which of the following is a typical characteristic of dyslexia? Correct answer is option 2. Difficulty in phonological processing. Dyslexia mainly affect reading and sound processing. Question number 13. Impairment is a dash condition while disability is a dash condition. Correct answer is option 1, biological and functional. Means impairment is a biological condition while disability is a functional condition. Impairment is equal to biological, disability is functional limitation. Now question number 14. Language development is in a primary classes is facilitated. Correct answer is option 1, when teachers use concrete example to refer to abstract concept. Children learn language better through concrete experiences. Question number 15. Which of the following correctly describe intrinsic motivation? Correct answer is option 2, motivation from personal enjoyment. Intrinsic motivation comes from within the learner. Question number 16. Which of the following are example of scaffolding? Correct answer is option 3, A, B, C, D. A. Think aloud. B. Promotes and cues. C. Questions. D. Half solve example. Scaffolding supports learning gradually. Rote rehearsal is not scaffolding. Question number 17. Children achieve gross motor skill before fine motor skill. This indicates development is. Correct answer is option 4, proximo-distal. Question number 18. Which ability distinguishes concrete operational thinking from pre-operational thinking? Correct answer is option 2, decentration. Question number 19. Child blaming the rope for getting out in a game shows which stage? Correct answer is option 4, pre-operational stage. Question number 20. Teacher influences academic self-concept by. Correct answer is option 3, rewarding autonomy. Question number 21. Assertion, no fixed moment when child enters adolescence. Reason, development is continuous. Correct answer is option 1, both A and R true. R is the correct explanation of A. So friends, this was part 1 of our 100 question series. Now quickly count your score and comment your score in the comment section. Let me know how much you scored out of today's questions. Like this video if you help, share it with your CTT friends. Subscribe to Archana's Teaching Up. Keep practicing, stay consistent and CTT clear करना ही तो डेली रिवीजन जरूरी है. Now see you in the next video. Thank you.